Okay, my name is Bashier Rawoot. I am the manager of TBS for the last 8 months. And my role in in the project was I was previously the head of networks. So my role was from a networking perspective, ensuring that we are ready from a network perspective, especially in the network security space and in the fixed network space. And in the TBS space, it's more about the bandwidth to your sites and ensuring that that's also in place. I would say that on the large scale this project I would say that you need to have a clear vision. You need to have transparency, understand the stakeholders. Communication is very important. Planning is of an essence. I think that understanding responsibilities, each one needs to understand what role they play in the project. And very important is the culture and how agile we're on the project. Sometimes we need to pivot, things don't go to plan, and the size and the nature of the project, you need to do that. And you need to bring the right culture also to the project. You need to build the trust so that everyone's in it. It's a teamwork, and that for me would drive the project to an end goal.